Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a high-ticket affiliate accelerator review. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator review. What exactly is the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator? It's a training platform to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, start to finish, or you can use it as a stepping stone to be able to get to do what you are passionate about. And the product focuses on customer service and building a culture of success of all the members. An example of using this as a stepping stone of one of our students was able to use this product, be able to earn affiliate commissions, and then be able to do what he was passionate about, which is open a brick and mortar grocery store. And he was able to do that. So it's not just about affiliate marketing, it's about getting you to the point where you can do what you're passionate about, having the money to do that. So why was it created? Okay, first of all, the owners were sick and tired of jumping from one opportunity to another to maintain their income. And they wanted to solve this, which is, they believe, the biggest problem in the industry is people jumping from one thing to another and not having success, and create a platform focusing on helping customers and putting people before profit. So I really like that is a culture that they're helping people. So who are the owners of the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator? They're 4 7-figure income earners. The first one is Joshua Elder, my mentor. He's been full-time in the industry for 5 years. He's generated multiple 7 figures. He's mastered free YouTube marketing and has built a loyal following, over 50,000 subscribers on YouTube and over 2 million views on his channel. So he's very, very successful with YouTube marketing. Paula Barroso, he has been full-time for over 8 years and focuses on solo ads and email marketing. And he's built a responsive email list of over 100,000 people, and he's now closing in on his 4th million. And he's been able to be at the top of leaderboards for many network marketing and business opportunities. I'm sure you've seen his name on the leaderboards. So he's very successful with paid solo ads. Fraser McDonald, love this guy. He's been full-time in the affiliate marketing space for over 8 years and done over 8 million in online sales and pulled in just over 3 million in commissions, all through his free Facebook marketing methods. And I'll tell you that he is 28 years old and he's traveled to 55 different countries. And so he is truly living the life of freedom. And the great part about it is his marketing method is free Facebook marketing, which is what he teaches. Brian Dixon, he has been in the industry for 5 years. He's generated over 8 figures in the online space by selling affiliate products and by building funnels and systems for many of his companies and clients. And on top of that, his specialty is Facebook ads. And because of his knowledge, clients pay him anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 an hour for his time and $25,000 per month for an hour of a week of his time. So he really knows what he's doing with Facebook marketing. So let's take a look at the product here. The first product is the Build Accelerator. And this is going to show you exactly how to get started with an online business, your mindsets for success, your markets that pay you passively, how to create your customer avatar, Josh's daily method of operation, 4 types of traffic, and maintain market where your attention, the attention is at, like go where people are to be able to market. And then setting up your business, that is showing you how to set up your autoresponder, your ClickFunnels, tracking with ClickMagic, buying a domain, setting up your website, your hub, which is going to be your blog, installing the plugins on your blog, creating a custom email address, and setting up your custom tracking link. And there is another part that is coming that's not in here, at the moment, but it is coming soon, Fan Page Branding Blueprint with Brian Dixon, how to set up your Facebook page, choosing the right profile picture, just everything about creating a successful fan page, content, daily action plan, attracting your perfect audience, and growing your following. So that will be coming. And this product here is $500, and you will earn, if you choose to be an affiliate, you will earn 50% of that, as well as 25% of your affiliates' commissions. The second product here is Elevate Accelerator, and that is the massive traffic formula with Paulo Barroso. He shares his solo ad mastery day 1, day 2. He shares all of his traffic sources, how to build an email marketing list, how to market to that list, everything that he's done to create a multiple 7-figure income business with solo ads. And then the free Facebook traffic method. I will tell you, this is different from anything that I have learned, and it works. It flat out works. So this is Fraser McDonald again, that he has built multiple 7-figure income business just with free Facebook marketing. And he shows you exactly how to do it, the RVL formula, how to connect with others. This is different from anything that I've learned before, how to build relationships, turning your connections into partners, your hub on Facebook, optimizing your hub, the most powerful method to build trust, how to duplicate this method and automate it. It's super valuable there. And then chatbot profits. This is the new thing, I think, in marketing, is to be able to connect with your audience on Facebook. So setting up a lead generation campaign, Facebook ad setup, how to build a massive list. And one of the trainings that I was on, I learned that somebody said they get 25% open rate with chatbot on Facebook compared to email marketing. So I think this is the future of marketing, is using Facebook, retargeting your audience. That's super powerful. Advanced Facebook ads training. So that's all in the Transcend Accelerator or Elevate Accelerator, and that is $1,000, and you will earn, if you choose to be an affiliate, 50% of that, or $500, and then again 25% of the affiliate's sales that you refer. And then the next one is Transcend Accelerator. And I will say in each one of these, okay, if you purchase the Elevate Accelerator, you also get the build. If you purchase the Transcend, you also get the Elevate and the build. But I will say this is where I recommend that people start, because it will give you everything from start to finish. And I will say that this tube traffic selling system is responsible for my results since I came back online last summer and decided to hire a coach, Josh. Is responsible for over $46,000 in the last year of my success. I'm going to leave a link to this video in the description below this video, so you can check that out, as well as my story. My biggest month so far has been $11,000, and this is what is responsible for that, is the tube traffic selling system. Josh teaches you how to create videos, how to identify your ideal customer, how to create your brand, set up your whole channel from start to finish, how to do keyword research. Like most of the time I rank my videos on the first page of YouTube. A lot of times I'm #1 for targeted keywords. That's how I've been able to create this kind of income, because people find me on YouTube, they find me on Facebook, they want to join me. I've had $1,000 days, multiple $1,000 days on autopilot because of this training. And I've had a $2,000 day. It's so different from anything that I've learned before. When I struggled for years, I've been marketing online for 10 years, and then I had to take an extended break because of severe family health issues. And then when I came back online I quit everything for years, and I came back online last summer, and I found Josh, and I just got to work, and I did exactly what he said, and I've had some really, really great success, and it's because of this training. When you know how to do keyword research, how to optimize your videos, and how to do, he tells you exactly what to do with your videos, like what topics should you talk about. And that's key, because you can put up all these videos, but if no one's seeing them, you're not going to have success. And then the proof of concept strategy to scale, like I never knew how to leverage my results, and that's what he teaches you how to do in here. And that is $2,500. It's been worth every penny to me, and you will earn, if you choose to be an affiliate, 50% of that, or $1,250, and then again 25% of affiliates that you refer. Also, you're going to have extra bonuses in here with the Transcend. You're going to get launch jacking, and that is getting in front of products that will be coming out. This is his strategy. He earned $18,000 in 14 days with this strategy, not even using his existing email list. And so that is super valuable there. How to get sales today, showing how this comes with the Transcend as well. How to use your results or someone else's, offers he's promoted, promotional emails. Then also with the Transcend, you get done for you. This is how he was able to make $100,000 in 98 days, and you can copy his funnels. And this is what this one here has allowed me to make $9,000 in just a very short time. And then you can copy his content for Easy One Up. It's just very, very valuable. You do get training. You have affiliate training on how to set up the HTAA Messenger bot funnel and the ManyChat setup. This is different from anything that I have ever learned. And the other day I just started this like 2 weeks ago, marketing this, and I can't believe how easy this is. Not to say that you don't have to put in the effort, but taking someone from YouTube where they know you, they know, like, and trust you, you're building an audience, taking them to Facebook, getting them into a chat. And I just said in the group, I can't believe how easy this is. And this is more effective than anything that I've ever learned online, because like I said, I've been marketing online for 10 years, and just in the last 12 months, this is my results, and it's all due to the training in High Ticket Affiliate Accelerated. I can't speak highly enough about this training. So, one more thing. There is another product here, and this is not in the training site yet, but this will be available. And this is for people who want to earn 7 figures. This is by invite only. It's the highest level you can reach in the program. You'll have access to all the other products, and you'll have access to a private 8-figure mastermind group where you'll learn you have exclusive access to live events, private meetups, and leadership council, and you'll be given 2 VIP tickets to their leadership mastermind in an undisclosed 5-star location. And you will have access to 7-figure sales team to help close your sales for you. That's optional. And you'll have all the pieces to build a high-ticket business and automate the entire sales process, so you can have it done for you. And this is for only people who want to build a 6, 7, and 8-figure business. And again, you will get the affiliate accelerator, done for you campaigns, 8-figure mastermind. It'll also include, as I said, the Elevate Accelerator, the Build Accelerator, and the exclusive Facebook group, which is included in all the levels. You'll get to the Facebook group. And so this is $5,000, and you'll earn $2,500, and then 25% of your affiliates that you refer. So that is coming. So why is this different? Why do I think this is different? And why have I had success with this? There's weekly question and answer calls. You get on with Josh or other leaders, and you'll get all your questions answered. They'll stay on there as long as they need to answer your questions. There's no monthly fees. Of course, you'll have business costs, which are tax deductible. Because you'll have like ClickFunnels and ClickMagic, but there's no monthly fee to this. It's just a one-time fee, and they're constantly adding to it. You will have, this to me is invaluable, you'll have Facebook chat groups with leaders sharing strategies that can be implemented. So we have a Facebook live chat with Fraser. He's in the trenches answering questions, but also he gives you content that you can use and change and just be able to implement on your own pages. And then Josh has the YouTube live chat, and you can model after his videos. He posts them in there. You can use his keywords. Of course, you can't copy his titles, but you can use his keywords, and you use it as a model for you to create your own video. And then there are some in there that you can create your own intro and use his video if he says that you can do that on that video. But it's so valuable for people who are just getting started and maybe don't know what kind of content to post, and it makes you an authority and helps you build your brand and helps you build your audience. So those two chat groups are invaluable. I've been there, and just you get your questions answered really quickly, and it's free methods that actually work. So if you don't have a budget for the paid marketing, this is what they're teaching because it's what absolutely works. The free YouTube and the free Facebook. And it's a culture of people who are winning, and they care about your results, which is different from anything that I've been a part of before, where people just focus on recruiting and making a sale. And this is just like these four people really care about your results. They're down-to-earth people, and they really do care about your results. And then the Facebook group is just, it's invaluable. Let me just show you that here real quick. But you'll see in here people having all kinds of results, but also you'll see people that are having results. And Josh is sharing how I closed 40,000 in high ticket sales in 2 weeks using Facebook Messenger, and how you can too. There's live trainings in here as well. This training, this Facebook group is invaluable. It has been to me. So you'll have recordings of the weekly calls here. So what do you do next if you want to have success, finally have success online, and just be a part of something that is long-term? You're going to learn how to build a long-term sustainable business, because when I came back online, that's why I bought the training. That's why I hired a mentor and a coach, because I was tired of messing around. I had to pay off medical bills, and I wanted this to eventually replace my six-figure income. I work as a physical therapist, and that's why I invested in this. So if you're interested in learning how to finally have success, build a long-term sustainable business, click on the first link in the description below this video to find out more and to see if you are a good fit. So with that being said, I hope you guys found some value in this high-ticket affiliate accelerator review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you want to get started, go ahead and click the first link in the description below the video, and that'll take you to my Facebook chat, and we can chat there. With that being said, this is Karen Mayer signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.